Oh! What's up guys, UKTransit here. Today I am on a class 377 and I am on quite an unusual route. This train is from East Grinstead and only calls at Oxted, East Croydon and finally London Bridge, which is quite strange. Usually these trains stop at all stations along the East Grinstead line and also the Oxted line. So usually the first stop on this service would be Dormans, but today our first stop is Oxted. We think it's due to rail replacements because there's lots of rail replacements. We're going to be going all the way to London Bridge today. So there is stopping services that stop at all of these stations, Hurst Green, Linfield, Dormans, you know, all of them places. But I think this is kind of like an additional train. There's quite a few of them today. I think these are additional trains that only stop at Oxted, East Croydon and London Bridge.
East Croydon and London Bridge. The next station is Oxted.
Great. Do you know what? I really thought we go that way. I don't know why.
No, exactly. Service to London Bridge, which is calling for Oxted, East Croydon and London Bridge.
So passengers are being advised to change at East Croydon for a shuttle service to London Victoria, which calls at Clapham Junction and London Victoria by the sounds of it. I think personally this is quite a weird service. We've also got an onboard supervisor, which I'm really happy about. Not even the Gatwick Express service I went on had an onboard supervisor, so I'm very happy about that. So yes, next station is Oxted. So our next station stop is Oxted. We're just flying through loads of stations, which is really cool. Like, we're just not stopping at any stops between East Grinstead and Oxted, and it's just really weird and cool at the same time. Right, so we will shortly be arriving at Oxted, which is our first stop on this service. Oxted, first stop.
We are now approaching Oxted. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. Oyster and contactless payment may only be used on certain routes. Please check the route maps by the entrance doors for full information. If you travel beyond the validity of your ticket, you may have to pay a penalty fare. Change here, services to Uckfield.
So our next station stop is East Croydon, where you can alight for a shuttle service to London Victoria. That starts at East Croydon, apparently.
Welcome aboard the Southern service to London Bridge. The next station is East Croydon. Please keep your bags and personal belongings at all times. If you see something that doesn't look right, report it to a member of staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. See it, say it, sorted. We are now approaching East Croydon. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
We're from to 12 coaches today.
This is East Croydon. This train is the Southern service to London Bridge. The next station is London Bridge.
I think this is an additional train, so it's only stopping at, it only goes East Grinstead, Oxted, East Croydon and London Bridge. Also, this service is being diverted because it usually goes to London Victoria from East Grinstead. However, it's going to London Bridge today rather than London Victoria. So we will shortly be arriving into London Bridge where this train terminates. And this train will probably do a service back to East Grinstead. But yes, we're going to disembark the train.
We are now approaching London Bridge, our final destination. Thank you for travelling with Southern. Please remember to take all your belongings with you when you leave the train. Change here for Southeastern and London Underground services.
So, yeah, I've never heard that where it says change for Southeastern and London Underground services. I've actually never heard that before, maybe it's new. Okay, I don't know if that video was any good, but thank you so much for watching today's video. This is UKTransit signing off from London Bridge. Like, subscribe, and leave any comments down below, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.